This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
All right, how you doing, guys? It is July 29th, 2019. This one here, I'm going to do the giveaway for the bluvac Pro Micron gauge from Aqua Tools. This was sent to me through Value Testers, which is a sponsor for the channel, and bluvac. So we're going to do the giveaway of this. This is a nice setup. And for the redfish, if you want to do measure quick or something like that, you could use this device. This will pair up to that unit to download the information. Alright, guys, time for the next giveaway. And I'm going to kind of do these giveaways that I got coming in, you know, kind of in between my other videos. Like, I know a lot of guys don't really look at these videos. I don't really get a lot of hits on them, but I do them for my subscribers. I get this stuff sent to me through Value Testers, the sponsor of my channel. And what we got here is we got the bluvac Pro. Nice setup. It's got a nice plastic housing on it. Also got a little, comes with a battery, comes with this little nice little setup. Look at that, that's nice. You see that? Or is it two? Comes with that, comes with this little thing here for the hook and the battery. That's where the battery goes in the back here. What I usually do on mine is, after I'm done using it, I put the battery in backwards, like that. And I put the cover back on. This way here you don't use the battery up. And then when you want to use it, you just pop the battery out. Plug it in, and you're ready to turn it on. Now this bluvac Pro, nice little unit. Now this one you could hook up to the redfish for measure quick and stuff. A lot of guys like that. Comes with a nice little plastic housing. My other one don't have this rubber coating on it. A nice little unit. Bluvac Pro. Now I run the bluvacs, but I got the LT, the regular one, and then I got the other one. I got a couple of them, but I got the two that are down from this, the step down from these. I have. Very nice. AccuTools. Bluvac Pro. Now this has got microns, it's got all kinds of different stuff that you could change. You know, obviously you want to get down to about 500 microns when you're pulling a vacuum. But I'm not going to put the battery in, it's brand new. I'm just going to leave it like that. So this is going to be the next giveaway. You guys are interested in a nice micron gauge. Here's the range, accuracy, resolution, units, microns, PA, bar, torr, PSI, operating temperatures, battery life, back. That's what I run. There's a couple of things that you guys are going to have to do to be eligible to win. First of all, you're going to need to leave a comment on this video, and I'm going to pick, the winner from the comment section. So a lot of guys will send me emails, or put me on the list, so I could. You have to leave a comment on this video, all right? So leave a comment. Leave a comment on this video, and you have to say value testers and bluvac in the comment. Let me repeat that, because last time I had picked somebody and he didn't follow the instructions. I had to pick a new winner. So I don't want that to happen again. So what you have to do is leave a comment on this video with value testers and bluvac in the comment. Then you'll be eligible to win. No nasty comments. The nasty comments are just block these guys. I get a lot of them that come through and just trolls trying to start trouble and being nasty. I just block them guys, so they're not going to be eligible to win, the trolls, because their comments aren't going to show up on my channel. So leave a good comment. Today's Monday, and I'll pick the winner, on the weekend. So 6 or 7 days you have to respond to this video to be eligible to win, and then I'll pick the winner. U.S. residents only due to shipping costs. Now, I did ship out that other item to that other guy that won it, the UEI Hub 6, which is a nice set of digital gauges. So that's on the way. It should have been there. That should be getting delivered today, which is Monday. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick little download of this giveaway to get it in the pike. And I got another one to be giving away next week. I like doing them once a week or something, and then maybe we'll give it a week break, and then we'll do the other one. Because sometimes I don't get a lot of hits on these giveaways. I think the last one I got like 4,500 hits on it. A lot of my other videos I get like 12,000 views in a week or so. So I don't get a lot of hits on these giveaway videos, but I got the stuff given to me, so I'm gonna give my subscribers a chance to win it. All right, guys. Leave a comment, and I'll pick a winner in a week. Thanks for watching.